Thank you so much for checking out my channel, Drone in Nature. I really appreciate that you're taking your time to check out my channel. My name is Aspen. I live in Norway, and my interests are, as you can see, drones and footage and stuff like that. Today I put together some clips with my Mavic Air 2. This is some clips taken over a few weeks ago because of the weather is so bad. So I put it together. Really hope you like it and will subscribe to my channel, Drone in Nature, and give me some comment and feedback. That would be really appreciated. But please subscribe. See you. Bye bye.